got us a quick little repair job over here and replace the 8,000 pound lift. I assume that's what's in there. It's a center pipe lift. We're going to replace it with the existing type lift, but a newer one. And the dock's a little out of level from storm surges and hurricane surges, so we'll get that level back up. About a 25-foot section up at the beach has been washed out also. We're going to pick that up, haul that off the dump, and install a new one, install some new pilings. Get the barge mobilized over there right now. Got a couple of poles set already, and now we're running into a bunch of the concrete customers got here as far as a concrete seawall. Had to dig some of the concrete out. Get ready to get this piling driven down in that hole. One of the fun parts of our job, we're on the last piling ready to get done with. Of course, there is a water line right where we're going to drop the pole. We had no idea. It's actually a sprinkler line. But we finally found a meter way up the hill on the street, got it turned off, and had my irrigation crew next door working on a job. Get them to repair it for us and be back in action. Get it, Smiles?
Oh yeah.
Got the framing done, bolts in. Now we're getting the deck installed, and we'll move on to the boat lift. Definitely turned out looking really good. Customer's able to reuse their dock. We got the end poles leveled up for them also. You see the new lift. It's a golden center pipe, 8,000 pound C-drive lift. New 5/16 cables, new pulleys, new cradle system. Should work really good for them. See the pulley system over there, pretty heavy duty. Cable winders on there. Hey y'all, this is a quick project here. We got this 25-foot access walkway reconnected for the customer that lost it during Sally. Got a new boat lift installed in this boathouse. Everything should be good to go. You already had power working fine, so just a plug and play situation. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel and you like it, give me a subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and if you got any comments, leave me some comments. Appreciate it. I'll try to get back with you. Thank you.